Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle number 9564. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started.
Klaar? Stoppen.
Nog niet. 3 minuten. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between those comes an 1. Then double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I cannot place number 5 there, otherwise we will have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. I cannot place the 5th one there, otherwise we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. One, 2, 3, 4. Still 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between this O is an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so these 2 boxes should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 3 ones, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between those O is an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. If I place the 5th O there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. This can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare.
Het gebeurt niet vaak in Nederland dat een van de belangrijkste grondrechten, het recht om te demonstreren, zo lang wordt ingeperkt.
1, 2, 3.
Toch kiest Amsterdam ervoor om de noodverordening die dit weekend gold te verlengen tot donderdagochtend.
1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be 0 and a 1.
rond de voetbalwedstrijd van Ajax tegen Maccabi Tel
2,
Aviv
3.
opneemt.
Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here should be also 0 and a 1 there.
Spande een kort geding aan.
1, 2,
De politiechef vertelde daar dat er ook afgelopen nacht incidenten waren met
1,
Joodse
2,
en
3,
Israëlische mensen.
4. Here should be 0 and a 1.
Zijn we tot op afgelopen nacht echt incidenten hebben gehad. Waarbij mensen gecontroleerd zijn, paspoorten zijn
1, 2, 3.
Incidenten geweest met taxis.
I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. 5 minutes already passed. 1, 2, 3.
De portretrechter noemde het demonstratieverbod een zeer zwaar middel, maar hield het voor
10.
om de rust in de stad te bewaren.
1, 2,
De
3,
pro-Palestijnse
4.
demonstranten besloten zich niet aan de uitspraak van de rechter te
And
houden.
now between an 0 and a 1 with 200 bucks. Between there's always an 0 and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here should be a 0 and a 1. Here also 0 and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 0 and a 1. Then I think here should be 0 and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there. 3. No, between an 0 and a 1 with two empty box between, there's always an 0 and a 1 there. Here also 0 and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes no. 3 minutes. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here should be the 5th one, so that box should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And double ones, here no, there no. Finished in 8 minutes. We solve it again, we solve it again. And I like this one without comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.